Samsara's devices are designed to be installed in minutes. Once installed, the Samsara Dome site camera connects into the site gateway and its streams can be viewed in the Samsara Cloud dashboard. Each Samsara Dome camera is a 5-megapixel IP camera that is IP66 and IK10 rated. It is also optimized for nighttime visibility and NDAA compliant. Here is how to install a Samsara Dome camera. When you open the box, you'll find one alignment sticker, the SC11 Samsara Dome camera, one camera lid, one back plate, one Torx screwdriver, 4 drywall anchors, 4 screws, long, 2 screws, small, 1 cable gland. On the box, you'll be able to find the MAC address and the serial number. Before beginning installation, make sure you have the proper cabling installed and connected into your network. To get started, remove the lid of the Dome camera using the Torx screwdriver provided. If you are deploying the camera outdoors or in a wet environment, be sure to attach the cable gland. Then, plug in the camera either directly into the back of a site gateway light or into a PoE switch. Then verify the camera is powered before mounting. The LED on the front will power on if powered correctly. In some cases, you may need to use a camera mount. Samsara offers pole mounts, arm mounts, and junction boxes. For more details on camera compatibility and installation, please visit samsara.com/support. If necessary, install drywall anchors using the alignment sticker. Feed the Ethernet cable through the middle opening of the back plate. Then fasten the back plate to the mounting surface using the provided screws. Now you're ready to set up your camera in the dashboard. For seamless and on-the-go installation, you can add cameras from a desktop browser or from the Samsara Sites mobile application. You can quickly find the Sites app by searching Samsara Sites on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. In either situation, add the camera to your dashboard by clicking on the Add Cameras button. Select the gateway you want to associate the cameras with, and then the system will automatically search for the cameras in your network. Once your Samsara cameras are discovered, you can easily add them to your dashboard. Once added, confirm the camera is positioned correctly by viewing it in the mobile app or dashboard. Adjust the field of view as necessary by twisting, tilting, and rotating the aperture. Once the aperture is properly aimed, use the Torx driver to secure the lid. Your Dome site camera is now ready for use. From directly within the Samsara dashboard, you can begin creating custom views and user permission, setting up AI-powered alerts, and leveraging Site Visibility's powerful search features and smart detections. For more information on how to customize your Site Visibility deployment, visit samsara.com/support.